It's time! On this corner, we have T's with a P! And on this corner, we have Boxers with P in the corner! Alright, well let's go ahead and get you your bingo balls. Those of you that said you wanted in will now get your bingo balls. So I've got them all pulled out up here. So I'm going to zoom you in so you can watch to make sure this is on the up and up as I put them into the bingo machine here. And it's empty right now. You can see as I'm spinning it around, there's no balls in there. You can just hear the flapper of the lid on it. Okay, come on in, take a look, see while I assign you your bingo balls. Okay, I'll just go down the list of everybody that wanted it in and assign them a bingo ball. So I'll start out with Cars, Trucks, and Detours. Wanted in 3 times, 3 bingo balls. 1, 2, 3. B2, B8, B4. Redneck Manufacturing wanted in once, so we go with B9. Ed the Old Tech Guy wanted in, so we give him B10. Missouri Old Timer, he wanted in 2 times, so he gets I-18 and I-20. Rusty Glove Box, he wanted in 2 times, so I'll give him I-21 and I-26. E&Y Gaff, he wanted 3 bingo balls, so I'll give him N34, N35, and N39. In Hereford, he wanted in 3 times, so he will get 3 bingo balls. And I think I assigned him these 3 over here. So 063, 067, and 074. The numbers don't mean anything until I draw them. Okay. Big GAWs, he wanted in. There's N40. And Papa Texas, he wanted in 2 times. So G49 and G52. 49, G52. Danny Dunnigan, he wanted in 2 times, so he gets 2 bingo balls. G58 and G59. There they are. And Goundress, he wanted in, and there's his bingo ball, N42. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead, mix these up. Oh, sorry, I got to put them back in. I was spinning the wrong way here. Alright, let's spin it this way. Now we can mix them. And then I spin the other way when I'm ready to pull a bingo ball, which I'm ready to do. So, I want to make sure I've noticed before when I've done this that they kind of like to roll off onto the floor. So, I'm going to put a little something here to catch them. There's some boxers up here. Let's go. There's one. Now, one prize, if you're in here more than once, that just gives you a better chance. So 1 prize for each participant. I-18. And that would be Missouri Old Timer, I-18. And I'm going to draw 5 bingo balls. So we'll have 5 winners today. Okay, let's draw one more. And go back, and there it comes. Oh, 67. Oh, 67 is Hereford's. All right, Music Man Hereford's is a winner. So, 3 more. You're listening to his music right now. Here it comes. Bang. G52. G52. If that's your bingo ball, you have 1. G52 is Papa Texas is a winner. And 2 more. Come up, back the other way, drops a ball. There it is. It is G59. G59 is Danny Dunnigan. All right. Okay, 1 more ball. And we'll go back to get a winner. There it is. The last bingo ball winner is 074. So let's see who that is. 074. On the list. Hereford's, who's already been a winner. So, because he had an 067. So we get to draw another bingo ball. See who the winner is here. N42. N42. The winner of that would be Goundress. N42. So we have 5 winners. All right, if you're a winner, just go to the description of this video and look for my email address. And it should read rajchristiansen@gmail.com. And email me your address and I'll send out your boxers or your tea with a P. Just give me your preference. But give me your size that you would like for both in case I can't fill the request for you. I can give you the alternate. For sizes, what I do have are boxers 36 to 38, that's the large, and I have mediums that are 32 to 34 in the boxers. The tees with a P, the sizes I have are L, that's large 42 to 44, extra large 46 to 48, and 2XL 50 to 52. So let me know, I'll send it out to you. Thank you for coming to the corner today, and congratulations to all the winners. And if you didn't win, your balls are still in the machine. I'm going to be having more drawings. So you're in. And you can keep getting in and getting more balls until you win. It's that simple. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you.